To fix the streaks on Duolingo, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to the tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix the streaks on Duolingo. Now, if you want to fix the Duolingo streaks, then make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, and also make sure that you have installed the Duolingo app. So simply open the Duolingo app, and to restore the Duolingo streak, then you just need to tap on the option of Duolingo like this, and you just need to use a streak freeze. So streak freeze is an item on Duolingo shop which requires them. So if it protects your streaks even if you miss a day. So to use it, you just need to go to shop on your Duolingo app, and from here you'll be able to buy the streak freeze also. And if you have also on two streak freeze for starting a streak, so you will be also able to on the streak freezes like this. So if you have on it, then it will also help you to recover the streak which you have lost, and also won't help you to lose the streak in this way. And the next thing which you can do is that you may also contact the Duolingo support. So if you go on profile and click on the option of settings and click on the option of help center right here, and if you chat with the Duolingo management team, then they will also help you to get the streak which you have lost. So that's it. That's how you can fix the streak on Duolingo. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.